We go to practice set 5.1, question 1. Diagonals of a parallelogram WXYZ intersect each other at point O if angle XYZ equal to 135 degrees, then what is the measure of angle XWZ and angle YZW? If length of OY is 5 centimeter, then length of WY equal to how much? We draw the parallelogram first. We have here parallelogram WXYZ. They said that the diagonals intersect each other, that is, they meet each other at the point O. They said angle XYZ is 135 degree. So we have to find what is the measure of angle XWZ and angle YZW. Also, they have given the length of OY. We have to find the length of WY. Now, first of all, angle XYZ is given, that is 135 degrees. We have to find the measure of angle XWZ. You can see that angle XWZ is opposite to angle XYZ. And we know that the opposite angles of the parallelogram are congruent to each other. So what do we write? That angle XWZ is equal to angle XYZ. So we write here angle XWZ is equal to angle XYZ. Why? Because they are opposite angles of the parallelogram and they are congruent to each other. So, if they are congruent to each other, measure of angle XWZ also will be 135 degrees. So, I write, therefore, angle XWZ is equal to 135 degree. Okay, so we have got the measure of this. Now they are talking about the measure of angle YZW. Okay, so we know that this angle YZW and this angle XYZ, they are adjacent angles. What are adjacent angles? Angles which are next to each other. And we also know the property of adjacent angles of a parallelogram, that they are supplementary. That is, the sum of the measures of the angles is 180 degrees. So we can write angle XYZ plus angle YZW is equal to 180 degrees. So we will write here angle XYZ plus angle YZW. That is what we have to find. YZW is equal to 180 degrees. Now here we know the measure of angle XYZ, it is 135 degrees. So in place of angle XYZ, I write 135 degree plus angle YZW is equal to 180 degree. Now I have to find what is the measure of angle YZW. So I'll write angle YZW is equal to, taking 135 degree on the other side, it will be 180 degree minus 135 degree. So 180 degree minus 135 degree will be 45 degree. Therefore, measure of angle YZW is equal to 45 degree. Now, further, they have said length of OY is 5 centimeter. We have to find the length of WY. Now, which property will we use for this? You have seen that the second theorem what we proved they was that the diagonals of the parallelogram bisect each other. Means what? This point O divides this WY diagonal into two equal parts. So if one part is 5 centimeter, we have to find length of WY, which is not the other part, but it is the whole diagonal. So whole diagonal will be this part plus this part, or it is this part into 2. Okay, so now we have written here length of OY is 5 centimeter. Therefore, length of WY, which is the whole diagonal, it will be how many times length of OY? 2 times. It is the top part plus the bottom part. So, 2 into length of OY. 2 into length of OY means 2 into length of OY, we have written here 5 centimeter. So 2 into 5, which is equal to 10 centimeter.